Okay, so firstly, Samarthya, welcome to IWM Buzz. How was
Pleasure.
your Fits Villa journey? कितना enjoy किया, कितना experiencing
Okay.
था, कितना learning था आपके लिए?
Okay. I would say for me, it's a beautiful journey. It's like a lifetime experience, very enriching. And I always saw this whole thing on the screen. हमेशा टीवी पे देखा था challenges कैसे होते हैं, रन सर को, सनी मैम को, और actual में देखना उनको real life में, it's like you just can't believe. It's like a surreal feeling. It's like you're on a dreamland, and ऐसा लगता है कि आपको भी कोई pinch करेगा and you'll just wake up from your dream. सो शुरू में फर्स्ट एपिसोड मतलब जो हमारा फर्स्ट डे था शूटिंग का, तो दैट काइंड ऑफ फीलिंग केम इनटू मी, बट फॉर मी आई जस्ट चेरिश्ड एवरीथिंग, एंड द challenges were very intense. I just loved the challenges, and one thing which just kept me going in the whole process, in the whole journey, was my passion, was my excitement, was my love for that camera, was my love for because I'm a stage actor, I'm into acting. I did a lot of dance during my engineering days also on the stage. So that passion for my art, that passion for my creative field kept me going in the whole journey. So yes, I would say for me it's a beautiful journey which I will cherish for rest of my life.
So
Splitsvilla.
Samarthya, no fans are very upset. मतलब आपने देखा ही होगा ट्विटर पे, और रिएक्शंस काफी ही सबके सैड वाले हैं. उनको क्या बोलना चाहोगे, क्योंकि आपके इविक्शन से
True.
no, this was
I believe I,
unexpected. It was totally
yeah, Shweta,
unexpected.
I never expected this thing because the moment I got evicted, I got so many messages, I got so many calls. I don't know how they got my number. So I got so many calls. People are literally crying on the phone. So at that time, I felt this is your presence on the screen can actually, can affect the person in such a beautiful way. You are actually inspiring the people in such a beautiful way, because the comments which I receive is all about sweetness, cuteness, about my personality, about my way of treating everyone out there, because I kind of hold this sweet and calm personality on the show. So I feel ki just by doing this part of what I want, because I want to go into the film industry, I want to be film actor. So just by taking this first step, I'm influencing people in this way. So it just motivates me, it just makes me, it just making me, it just, I would say, I'm just getting inspired for whatever I'm just looking around me, because every message which I'm getting from my family, I don't say fans, I say family, I would say Samarthians, it's
Yeah.
somehow inspiring me, and it somehow keeps me pushing, keeps me motivated. So I would say their work, their edits, all the pages which they have made for me is something which just keeps me going, and that's a real strength for me. I would say that's a stimulator for me. So I उनको मैं जितना भी थैंक यू बोलूंगा उतना वो कम है. So I just I have this one dream also, like I should be reaching a stage where I should be making a movie for all my Samarthians, where I
Wow.
should be including as many people from my family, like all like from Samarthians, उनको मैं एक मूवी में लूं. It's like that movie जो शाहरुख खान की थी,
Fan.
शाहरुख खान सर की थी, जीरो, आई थिंक जीरो, राइट,
Yeah.
वही
Not
मूवी थी.
not zero. It's like fan or something like
Sorry,
that. Yeah.
fan, sorry, fan, kind of that, kind of. So yeah, that's how I want to repay back to them.
तो सामर्थ्य, व्हाट यू फील कि कौन सा साइड था जिसकी वजह से आप आउट हो गए, कौन सी कमी थी जिसकी वजह से आप आउट हो गए? यू फील बिकॉज ऑफ सम साइड ऑफ यू, जो कि आपके फ्रेंड्स या योर एनिमी उनको पसंद नहीं आया?
Okay, see, I'm a person who was in good terms with everyone, but as I said this before also, so it's like I already made this very clear with Jay. Jay, in fact, made this very clear to me. If you are in the dumping zone, and Trivon and Arushi, they are all three of you are going into the dumping zone. So I'll definitely share Trivon and Arushi because he has already given his word to me. उसने मुझे ये explicitly बोल दिया था. तो ये चीज मैंने ध्रुव और सपना को भी बताई थी before dome session. But I don't know what happened in the dome. क्या था, क्या, like how they played, क्या उनके दिमाग में चला. They took Arushi's name because if you are being logical, if you are being smart enough, you are gonna think in this way. Arushi is not an ideal match with anyone, not even with Primon. अब जो और कोई लड़का भी नहीं था जो उसके साथ connection form कर सकता था. I was there, and Nikita is in the safe zone. तो ऑब्वियस है कि हम दोनों आइडल मैच भी बन सकते थे, मैं और निकिता। तो ऑब्वियसली जो दूसरा ग्रुप एक बना हुआ है बूम्बा तो वो अगर किसी को डम करते तो इट्स ऑब्वियस कि वो मुझे करेंगे, because why they want another idol match to be in the show. So if they are getting the opportunity to dump someone, so they'll be dumping me. So I don't know उनके दिमाग में क्या चला क्या हुआ. So but at the end of the day it's a game, so someone has to get evicted, so it's okay. And you never know, I'm in the wild villa, so I'm gonna perform my best and probably I'll come back. So let's keep fingers
So you're
crossed.
giving a full hint that you will be back again on Splitsvilla or Vikings.
Sorry, what, Shweta?
So you're giving a full of hate to the fans that you will be coming back again on show.
No, I'm saying like let's watch Wild Villa together. Now let's see my wild side and enjoy the wild side. आपने splits वाली side तो देख ली थी, where you're just splitting. I split with Janvi. I formed a connection with Nikita. Now let's go to Wild Villa and let me explore my wild side and cherish my wild side. So until then, let's enjoy the Wild Villa. So I just want to say that, and I'll try my best to come back.
So how was your bond with Nikita? Yeah, post show also you are the good friends till now.
Yeah, show pe to we are good friends. Even outside the show also we are friends. And right now I would say, like, people often ask you after the show, like, because people often have this question, are you dating? So it's about a different thing, because everyone has a different reason to go to Splitsvilla.
Yeah.
So people often miss this concept that Splitsvilla is not just about a place where you just go and you just make a bond with the person, and it's mandatory after the show you have to be with the person and you have to get married to the person. People often think in that way. People often miss this fact that Splitsvilla is like it's a stepping stone for you. It's like a door opener for you. Like for many of the contestants out there, it's like for me, it's like taking that first step into the industry. So just to bring that easiness in that struggle part, for me, Splitsvilla played that role for me. So
Okay.
yes, definitely, me and Nikki, me, Janvi also are very good friends after the show. Like Janvi and me didn't carry out in that way initially, but after the show, I would say we are the closest. She's the closest to me, I would say. So often it happens opposite. जो आप कनेक्शन तोड़ते हो शुरू में पहले शो में, वो शो के बाद आपके साथ उल्टा होता है, आपके क्लोज बन जाते हैं वो. So it happened with me in that way.
So Samarthya, as you said, this is the first step toward your acting career. So after this, have you got some opportunity also?
Yeah, I'm getting a lot of opportunities, but you know, I often believe in this way because I'm a person who is very patient. I just don't rush. जो भी एक opportunity आएगी मेरे साथ ऐसा नहीं होता है कि I just run after it. I just digest it. I just feel it. I feel कि if that opportunity, if I'm getting connected to that opportunity, I'll go for it because I believe in that way. Because I'm a very family person, so I share everything with my parents. So they often guide me the best. So I got two opportunities, and because it's a great thing when you do such reality shows, you get ample of opportunities. But as an artist, as a person, it depends on us what opportunity we choose. You have to be very mindful. You have to be very conscious about how you choose the opportunity, because that is going to decide how your future journey is going to be. Because I would say a reality show is just the A letter in the whole alphabets. So to go to the B, you have to be very mindful how to go to the B. Only then, because there's only one way to go to the C after choosing the B. So I'm just waiting for the right opportunity so that I can go to the C, I can go to the D till Z or Z. Yeah.
So you're waiting for the TV show, reality show.
There's one opportunity. There's one project which is gonna come up. I've already signed up for that, and I'm gonna disclose it very soon. So it's a good project. It's gonna come very soon.
So it will be on a TV screen.
I'll be on OTT.
Okay. So soon the fans will see you on a OTT platform.
OTT, yes, for sure.
Great. So Samarthya, how is your bond with Ranvijay and Sunny? कितना अच्छा लगा उनके साथ screen share करके?
Okay.
कितना support मिला उनकी तरफ से?
Okay, I would say it's like a dream for me. And Ran sir is like a person who off camera is like an elder brother to you. He guides you the best. The way he comforts you, the way he motivates you when you are like in that shooting wala process, when you're in the dome session. और डोम सेशन हमारा रात के 10 से सुबह 6 बजे तक चलता है. intense shooting is there. So वो जब आपका वो एक particular एक shooting हो रही होती है, उस time Ran sir has this aura of comforting you, and I really appreciate him in that way. I just get inspired by his aura. He's such a gentleman. The way he talks, his sense of humor is damn amazing. It's damn good, and he shares his drink also. जब वो कोई अपनी एक एनर्जी ड्रिंक पीते हैं तो अपनी ड्रिंक भी शेयर करते हैं कंटेस्टेंट्स के साथ. तो I also, that's an amazing gesture. So yeah, ये कुछ चीजें हैं which I really get inspired by, and Sunny ma'am तो उनका क्या कहना है, she's like a beauty queen, she's like a charm of the show, she's like the life of the show, I would say. So yeah, she is awesome.
Thank you, Samadhi, for giving your precious time, and all the best for the project.
Likewise, Shweta. Thank you so much. It's really amazing to get interviewed by you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. My pleasure.
Thank you.
We will see you soon.
Bye bye. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you.